Hi everyone. So today I'm going to be doing a obby where you grow and shrink as you go through. So time to shrink. It's going to be a little complicated because of whenever you shrink, it's kind of hard to control. So plus you run really fast. So I'm like, what? And you shrink as you get to the checkpoint. Jump. Grow. There we go. You gotta jump. Sometimes I like to go sideways whenever I jump because it's kind of easier for me. So I don't know if anyone else does that, but I do it a lot whenever I go to obbies. Which I'm kind of bad at obbies, but sometimes they're easy. This one was like a medium, so keep going. Jump. Now I gotta go giant again. Or small. Because at this point I thought I had to go giant because of how far it looked. But I went small. So checkpoint. This one just had to go big and jump over. At first, these were easy, then they started to get harder and harder as you go. So, that one you just jump to building and building. So, and then I think it's green. Because at first I was confused with which one it was. So. Can I go that way? No. What about on top? No. Small? Maybe small enough to go through the bars? Yes. Okay, good. Go through them again. Oh gosh, a maze. Kind of bad at mazes, but yeah, sometimes they're easy to do. I'm just gonna follow these people. Now I gotta go big and jump on these blocks. It's kind of hard to do as well because you can't tell where the block is like that. So hopefully I can get through this and not fall like I just did. Okay, on to the third one. Jump. There we go. Plus on the device with this, doing obbies is kind of hard. I realize that now. I haven't been doing obbies with, on mobile. No, I'm usually doing them on the PC I have, but I decided to do it on the phone, so it's actually a little bit harder. So to the people that do this on the phone, you are pretty good at this. Oh gosh, I've always hated these things right here. I think this is where I died a lot. I don't know. Probably. I'm not sure. Yeah. attempt 2. Let's see if I can do it. I'm feeling a lot of people with Robux skipped this stage because of how you gotta be with everything. Because whenever you're small, you go fast. So, attempt 3. Oh my gosh. But I've never played this hobby before. First time. And I usually don't play hobbies like this. So, let's see. Okay, almost. Yay! Okay, I might have to go big on this one. I don't know. Ooh. I don't know if I'm gonna make it. Okay. Almost there. Aww. Attempt 2. Let's see. Come on. Okay, that was bull crap right there, but I guess I was near the edge of it and wasn't a good idea. I don't think being small would do it either. Because also another thing, whenever you're small and doing this, whenever you press jump and you're going forward, it doesn't really jump half the time. So that's very dumb in my opinion. I don't know if anyone else thinks that, but it's very dumb. Maybe I could do it this time. Jump. Because I always hated these glowing block where you jump over it. I have a feeling a lot of people do. Jump. Oh my gosh. Come on. I know I can do it. Come on. Come on. Oh. Yay, I finally made it. Also, these stairwell things that disappear, they're annoying. It's very easy to fall off those. Very easy. Yeah, just like that. That was a terrible move. But let's try this again. Come on. Oh. I hate whenever I get to the edge and then try to adjust myself and then end up falling off. I think this is where I fail as well. I don't know. No, I didn't. Okay. But I do like to just spam jump sometimes because it's kind of a lot faster, but not really, so. And now the slide. Whee! Okay, what's next? Oh god. It's never the first one. Maybe yellow, yes. Green. Okay. Oh. It's never the one you want it to be. I'll just say that. And I fell off. Oh my gosh. Yeah. Oh. Green. What? How did that? Okay. That would not have been good if I failed. As you can tell, a lot of people went big on this. So they can just jump over. Which I was gonna do, but I didn't, so. How did I fall? I think this is where I just decided to go big. Yep. Green. Back to gray. And what's the last color? Oh, did not expect it to be red. Now there go again. Jump over those things. Oh, excuse me, I gotta be small to jump over it. And small. Here we go. Oh gosh. I always hated jumping over these red glowing things. They're annoying. See? Whenever you jump and walk at the same time, it doesn't let you jump, which is dumb. I've never got that. I really have never got that. Oh, 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 oh gosh, I almost fell there. That would not have been good. Money, money, money. Jump on the money. Jump on the money. Money, money, money. Money, 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 money. Money, 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 money. Okay, oh my gosh, not these again. Well, this is a little bit easier, but at the same time, no, it's not. So, and these, all you have to do is walk under it. It was a lot easier than I thought, but I'm gonna jump on these colorful, I don't know if I could say it, balls. Not, y'all know what I mean. Hope I don't get in trouble for saying that, but jump, jump. Why are these a little bit thicker than other ones? What the heck? I don't get that. I think you can do this either small or big, so I just went big because a lot of people did that. Okay, this looks really hard. I'm gonna be struggling like this girl did. Let's see. Yeah, I'm gonna be struggling. Jump. Come on. Let's see if I can do it. Nope. Yes. No. Yes. Come on. Come on. Whee! I made it. Let's see if I can get on the other one. Nope. I'm gonna get back on the yellow. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Come on. Come on. Oh, man. I don't like the jumping parts. They're annoying. They really are annoying. Come on. Come on. Come on. I know I can do it. Yay! I got it. I got it. I got it. I got it. Now I'm gonna get on the blue. The blue. And then I think that's, yeah, that's red. Red and pinkish purple, I think. I don't know, that's more of a like hot pink or something. But I made it. Oh my gosh, not the glass bridge from Squid Games. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Green. Is it green again? How do I keep falling in the weirdest ways? That is literally so weird. Come on, green. Red. Oh my gosh. Green. Or just go big. It's kind of easier to go bigger. For some reason, it's way easier. Let's go to green. Go to green. Go to red. I think it's green again. I think it's green again. Nope, it's red. It was red. Why is it? Oh my gosh. Red. Green. Red. Red? Yes, yay. Now, I think I have to go small to go underneath all this. I don't think you can jump on the hay things. Go underneath the fence. Go by the pigs. Go nut. Nope, there's another spot. Whee! Jump. Yay. Excuse me. Jump on. Uh-oh. Why do I keep falling? No. I'm guessing I have to go big to jump on these because they have the little in between part where you have to jump. Cause I thought it was just where they are close. That's what I thought, but I was wrong. I was wrong. Still don't like these, but they're kind of easy, so. Jump. Oh, I'm surprised I didn't die there. Now I'm multiple. Oh, 1 + 1, 2. 10 times 10, 100. 0. 0. 1. And then I gotta go through there. I'm guessing I have to jump over those things. Jump. I don't know what these items are, but they're weird, so. This is a weird person's tongue we're jumping on. Which I also thought was weird, but yeah. Ooh, cheeseburgers. I would love a cheeseburger right now. This part was weird. Going through this like that, it was weird. But, meh. Oh no, not these again. I hate these. Oh my gosh. Oof. If I can only do this on first try.
Mama, dad, baby.
and keep going, and I think I'm done. So a little badge thing said I'm done. So if you liked the video, like, subscribe. Have a great day.